Here is a quick tour of our 1993 Chevy G30 box van that we have for sale. We do have reading lights in the back corners over here, 2 over there, LED lights that you can change the colors. Then you have front and rear ceiling lights, 2 fans, front and back, and they are remote control. We're pretty much selling everything that's in the van, so it's pretty much camping ready. This has little latches on the side to keep it closed. We got a stove, regular, gas, propane stove. And under here, we have a refrigerator cooler. It keeps everything cold. There is access to the garage area right here. We do have a flushable porta potty that you can just pull out when you need to use. And I'll show you the garage area in a minute. A bunch of outlets here, USB, that's where you plug the refrigerator cooler in. There is more outlets over here, USB, and then the solar is in this first drawer. I don't know much about the solar. I did not convert this van, but this is brand new solar setup we just had 6 months ago. And then in this one, we have the inverter. And then storage in that one. There is also storage underneath the bench seat here to pull out things you can put storage in. The sink has got a dish drainer in it. It is a foot pump sink, so you just pump that to get the water going, and the water is located in here. Easy to take out, remove, change the water out. The draining, however, as you see there, just goes outside. So we do have a pan that we put outside to drain the water in. Now let's go up front. The seats, they're still in good condition under the seat cover here, as you can see. We have a front and backward camera that will record at all times, so you can change the screen or have it split. And this is what she sounds like when she starts. Oh, I need the key. Hold on. Let it go through all the buzzers. And then fire it up. And there we go. She does only have 40,193 miles total on the engine. This used to be an Air Force transport vehicle, so I think that's why the stickers are on here. Vehicle 114, fill up a half tank, just to remind the people in the Air Force. The radio works. Not very good on the speakers though, but it does work. The air conditioning does work in the vehicle for those hot days. Got your mirrors on each side. There is defrost heaters, fans located on each side. I have personally never used them in the 1.5 years that we've had this vehicle. And also under the chair here, I think, hold on, let me pop the hood too. Under the chair is another heater. I've never used it before, so I couldn't tell you much about it. I'll show you under the hood. There is a little paint coming off on the hood. Got a brand new battery. Take you over here. Oh, there is 2 sliding windows on each side with screens. In case you want to open them up, get some air. Here's the back. There's the garage area. It's got this rubber mat that is slowly starting to come apart, as you can see. But this is spare flooring for inside. There's still a lot in there, so if you wanted a wood floor, this you could. So yeah. This is the box that holds the solar batteries. There is 2 lithium batteries in there. And there is 2 panels on top of the roof. Yeah, it's been a fun little vehicle. We wish we could keep, but we really don't take it out as often as we thought.